Yo, yo, yo. What up, guys? In Canada, looking for Joey's jack point.
First, put it in and then crack it a little bit. And you keep going until it's completely all cracked.
Nice. Nice. Yo. Look at that broken control arm.
It's not broken.
It's bent.
Bent.
Is that a cigarette?
Cig-a-weed. This is such a pain in the ass.
How bad does it suck, Joey?
This reminds me
Not
of,
that bad.
you
But
only
all I'm trying to do is disconnect the swipe bar.
You only have a limited amount of room.
Is it really? No. That's grease, so that if I were to try to pull them off, it's not going to be. I'm moving them up. I'm moving them up for later.
Yeah, because they make the extended stuff.
Now it looks like stupid. It's so shitty.
Like Michael J. Fox with a GoPro.
They're gonna do?
Low life.
Get close, yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
And just stick on anything.
Probably, yes. The
sweet.
one tire fire in my driveway.
Here at Summit Point Raceway. It's super cold. It's literally 33 degrees outside, 15-mile-an-hour gusts. But we're out here doing it for the children. Plenty of power.
There's no passing though allowed. I saw it.
Fuck that. I'll just blow up my car. Damn, that is good. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, there's that.
Oh, that's it. That's it.
There's that Beamer. That BMW is so good. Woo! So good.
Butt buddies.
Nice. Oh, he's coming for us.
Sick.
Broward, like, knows some dude that was drifting.
Stance Nation. Sick. Sick Snapchat, bro.
Oh, shit. He kicked up so much.
Stance Nation. Sick.
You like that? You see the hidden intercooler? Air going up there.
Probably blow that up too.
The eye right here. 368. You should, so I can get